class. Yesterday we discussed up to 7 Romans. Now we will start 8th Roman. Okay. So that is question number 8. Express each of the following. Express each of the following in decimal number. Decimal number in the P by Q form. P by Q form. So the first question is 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. Okay. So this is what type of decimal? So here recurring is there. So that's why this is non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal. So this non-terminating recurring decimal is changed to P by Q form. Okay. So already you know that everyone knows this question. So 8th class also this type of sums are there. Okay. So this model is very important, ma. So first of all, the given number let it be taken as the value of x. Okay. So this decimal is equal to x. That means 0.5 bar. So under recurring part, how much is there? 5 is there. So recurring meaning is what? So 5 is repeated so many times. Okay, so that's why 5 bar. So that's why you can repeat 5 as you wish. So I can repeat only 3 times. Okay, now this is the condition 1. After that, so everyone knows period and periodicity. Okay, so what is called period and what is called periodicity? The number under the recurring part is called period. Okay, the number under the recurring part, how much is there? 5. So that's why period is 5. Period is 5. The number of digits under the recurring part is called periodicity. Okay, here find periodicity under recurring part. How many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So that is 5. Only 1 digit is there. So that's why here periodicity is how much? 1. So, periodicity is equal to 1. So, here periodicity is 1 means the given condition is multiplied both sides with 10. Otherwise, here 2 means 100. 2 means 2 zeros. 2 zeros what number? 100. If periodicity is 3 means 1000. Like that you have to multiply the given condition. Okay. So, here the periodicity is 1. So, that's why the given condition in both sides multiplied with 1. So multiplying equation 1 with 10. Here 1 is there, no? 1. So that's why I have to multiply with 10. So multiply here 10 into x is equal to 0.555 so on is multiplied with 10. Now here 10 into x. 10 into x is 10x. Here 1 0 is there. So that's why here decimal part moves to 1 digit. Friend. Okay, moves to right side 1 digit. Here 2 zeros means this decimal part moves to right side 2 digits. According to zeros, this decimal part moves to right side. Here only 1 0. So that's why 1 digit moves. So that means 5.55 so on. Here 0 means no value now. So that's why I can negate that. Okay. Now this is the condition 2. Now we can subtract equations 1 from 2. Now subtract equations 1 from 2. 1 from 2 means first of all you have to select second equation. So the second equation is 10x is equal to 5.55 so on. And first equation is x is equal to 0 point decimal after decimal point dash is 555. So up only 2 5's no, so that's why I have to take 2 terms. So you can subtract means here change that symbols. 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 0 5. 10x 1x, 10 minus 1 9x. Now 9x is equal to how much you got? 5.00. 5.00 means only 5. Now x is equal to 5 by 9. Now 5 by 9 is the only get 5 by 9. So this is P by Q form. Now this is the answer. Okay. So easy method also there. Suppose for example in examination point of view, suppose this question will be given in part B. Part B means bits. So this fully calculation means time taking now. So here you have to do easy method also. Easy method. So in the examination, that means bits point of view, you have to do like this. 0.5 bar. So 0.5 bar means 5 bar. So only one digit is there. So that's why you have to write 19. So 0 point means no value now. So that's why 0 is neglected. 5 by 9 is the answer. Okay, 5 by 9. So after simplifying these, you will get 5 by 9. This is also easy method, 5 by 9. Suppose question is like this. How to find this? 1 plus only under reckoning how much is there? Only 5. So that's why 5 by 9. This is another example, ma. Okay, this is another one. Suppose if question given like this, 1.5 bar. Okay, question is in the form means 1 plus 5 by 9. So that means here divided by 1. 1 into 9, LCM is 9. 9 ones are 9, 1 5s are 5. Add both numbers 40 by 9. Okay, 1.5 bar also have to do as this process. But in examination point of view, suppose this question will give in part B. So this process lengthy process now, so time taking. So that's why in that moment you have to do like this model. Okay, you can select this. So 1 plus 5. Under reckoning only one digit is there. So that's why you have to write 19. Suppose 2 digits are there, you have to write 99. 3 digits are there, 999. Like that you have to calculate. Okay. Now this one is finished, ma. Next. In this one, so many questions are there, and the second one, 3.8 bar. Now this is the question. Next one, 3.8 bar. So see this, same as this process. Let x is equal to 3.8 bar. Okay, so under reckoning 8 is there. 8 is there means 8 is repeating so many times. So that's why 8 write as you wish. So here I write 3 times. Now this is the condition 1. Now find out periodicity. So how to find periodicity? The number of digits under the recurring part. Under recurring part, how many digits are there? Only one digit. Here also only one digit. One digit means periodicity is 1. So periodicity 1 means how much is multiplying? So given condition 10 is multiplying. So write that. Multiplying equation 1 with 10. Now multiply 10 into x is equal to 3.888 so on into 10. Now 10 into x, 10x. Here 10 means this decimal part moves to one place. So that means 38 point. Remaining how many 8s? 2 8s. So on. Now this is the condition 2. And as this process, next one is subtract. Subtract equation 1 from 2. 1 from 2. So first of all write second equation. So that second equation is 10x is equal to 38.88 so on. So here first equation is x is equal to 3 point. 3 point means here write 3.88. One more 8, no need to write that. Now subtract. 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 3 5, remaining is 3. Here 10 minus 1 9x. Now 9x is equal to 35. Okay, 35.00 means only 35. Now x is equal to 35 by 9. Is there any cancellation now? 35. Okay, in this 35 only 5 is 5 and 7 are the multiples. But here 3. So common number is not there now. So 35 by 9 is the answer. Okay, so here also easy method is what? Easy method. How to solve this? 3.8 bar. 3.8 bar means 3 plus under reckoning how many digits? Only one digit. 8 by only one digit. That's why only 9. 8 by 9. Now this is 1. 1 and 9 LCM is 9. 9 3s are 27 and 1 8s are 8. Add both numbers 35 by 9. That is the answer. Okay, ma? Next. In this 8th Roman, 2 more sums are there. The 2 sums we will take as homework. Okay. Now 9th Roman. Without actually dividing, find which of the following. Find which of the following are terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. So here totally 4 questions given, ma. First question 3 by 25 and second question 11 by 18. Third question 13 by 20 and fourth question 41 by 40. See this one without actually dividing. So that means here don't use division. Okay, without actually dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals. Okay, so already yesterday class I explained. So Roman number 6 I explained. 6th Roman. What is the 6th Roman? So there find which of the following express the following rational numbers are decimals. So in the 6th Roman, in 6th question 2 Romans given. Okay, so that time I explained one condition, that first Roman sums all the denominators are in zeros. So that means all the denominators are the factors of 2 and 5. So that's why all decimals will get the answer is terminating decimals. But second Roman, all denominators are not the factors of 2 and 5. So all answers are non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay. So same. So that means after explaining that 6th Roman, what can I conclude that? So the denominator is of the form 2 power n or 5 power n. So that means otherwise the denominators are the factors of 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. Then you will get what type of decimals? Terminating decimals. Otherwise non-terminating recurring decimals. Are you understand, ma'am? So here see this 3 by 25. So first of all check first question. So first question 3 by 25. So first of all check denominators here without doing division. So that's why you can't divide the both numbers. Okay. After division also you will get the decimals. But here clearly mentioned without doing division. So without doing division means that 6th Roman I explained one condition. No? With that help of that condition I have to solve this. So that means what? First of all I have to find the factors of denominator. So denominator how much is given here? 25. So first of all find the factors of 25. 5 table 5 times. So that means here 3 by 25 can be expressed as 5 square. That means this denominator is of the form 5. Okay, that means the denominator is the factor of 5. Okay, so in this 6th Roman time I explained the denominators are the factors of 2 or 5 or both. 2 అయినా ఉండొచ్చు 5 అయినా ఉండొచ్చు 2 and 5 అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. Okay, but these two only factors. Except these two, if another number is there means it is non-terminating recurring only. Okay, compulsory only denominators 2 or 5 or 2 and 5. That only two numbers only we want. But here by observing the factors 5 is there. So 2 or 5. So in that numbers 5 is there now. So that's why here mentioned the denominator. The denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. Means here 2 5 only there, 2 not there. How to write 2 power n and 5 power n? Okay, so that is your question now. So let us see once. 3 by 5 square is there. 5 square means given question 25. Suppose this question can be expressed into zeros. Zeros means 25 is multiplied with 4. So that's why you can here also write 4. 3 4s are 12, 25 4s are 100. So now the denominator is how much? 100. Now let us check the factors. 2 table 5 50 times, 2 table 25 times, 5 table 5 times. So here 2's 2 are there, here 5's also 5 are there. 2 are there. Okay, 2 square 5 square. That means 2 and 5 both are the factors now. So that's why we have to write 2 power n into 5 power n. So that's why this denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n now. So that's why it is terminating decimal.